so we are back on the record, Miss Underwood, with Mr. Zimmerman. Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Zimmerman's behalf in this matter. I believe he may be looking at new charges, Your Honor. And I just want a chance to look everything over and also address new charges if they are forthcoming.
Okay, so I do know he has a bench warrant for failure to appear on a shoplifting charge and a bench warrant for violation of a court order. I don't know what that is. So you think he has new charges stemming from this as well?
I think so.
All right, so Mr. Zimmerman, I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash surety. Mr. Zimmerman, that way you're getting credit. I'm going to set this over to December 11th at 8:30 in the morning.
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
I'm gone next week, Miss Underwood.
I would wondering if the court would consider lowering that bond. It is the holiday weekend, and I'm sure he knows that he can't be around this person, Your Honor.
So, Miss Underwood, what I would say is he would have to post $500 to get out. He actually has 2 PPOs. They just didn't violate him in the other one, and I don't know how that happened, but yeah, so I'm going to leave his bond at $5,000 cash surety. He can post a $500 bond through a bonding agency. I don't know what's going on with his new charges. I don't know the nature of the events that occurred that brought him there. So
I think it might be a resisting and obstructing, Your Honor.
all right, so I can change it to a $500 cash surety. But Mr. Zimmerman, I will tell you that if you go there, you end up risking getting a stalking charge and a felony. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't care what reason you went there, or even if she invited you. If this PPO is in effect, it's my order, and I really don't like it when people violate my orders, especially PPOs. So just know that they can charge you with stalking and aggravated stalking or some other felony, and you could end up sitting in jail for a long time. You got it?
Can I say one thing, please?
No,
I
just say you understand what I said.
I just want to explain one thing, please.
No. You don't get to explain what happened, because anything, just stop. Don't say anything, because anything you say can be used against you. And if you admit to something or say something wrong, you could end up getting new charges. I'm going to set your bond at $500 cash surety. You can post that bond if you want, but I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty, and I'm going to set this over to December 11 at 8:30 in the morning.
And my children know that. She's having mental issues with my children.
No. Miss Underwood, did you talk to her about this?
I don't want him to make any statement.
Mr. Zimmerman, so, all right, we'll see you back December 11. As I said, your bond's $500. You just got to post, I think, $50. So, all right, we're all set, Mr. Zimmerman. Thank you. All right, so Miss Heatherly showed up. Let me bring her back in. I find her. I know she's here. She did show up. She was a little late. So I'm going to quash the bench warrant at this time, Miss Underwood. She